standing by for the throttle up call from Capcom Steve Frick.
Discovery Houston, go and throttle up.
Ryder, go and throttle up, sounds UHF only.
The throttle up call acknowledged by Commander Steve Lindsey.
And Discovery Houston, it's expected data hits, it'll clear shortly.
Copy.
Lindsey joined on the flight deck by pilot Mark Kelly, flight engineer Lisa Nowak, and mission specialist Mike Fossum. Mission specialists Piers Sellers, Stephanie Wilson, and Thomas Ryder of the European Space Agency down on the middeck. Ryder headed for 6 months on the International Space Station.